And moving on then, violence has erupted in Delhi during the CJP's Sansad Chalo protest over the alleged NEET paper leak, with police using tear gas and lathi charges after protesters attempted to march towards the parliament. The New Delhi police said that 118 personnel were injured and 70 protesters detained. While CJP leaders vowed to continue their agitation, and activist Sonam Wangchuk extended his indefinite hunger strike. Kritika joins in with the ground report.
Well, the protest started with the core demand for the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan in the representation that Saurav Das, as well as the other founding member of the CJP, Rana, also went and met Union Minister JP Nadda. In their three list of demands as well. The first was for the immediate release of Sonam Wangchuk. Second was the resignation, the demand for the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. So we can see that, in fact, the resignation demand is still, in fact, circulating. However, when it comes to Mr. Wangchuk, he has reiterated that he wants now the opposition leaders to, in fact, ensure him that these issues will be taken up in the parliament, and until and unless that happens, he will not be breaking his fast. Yesterday also there was a health bulletin from the Safdarjung Hospital which stated that while his vitals are stable, his blood parameters are, they are a little dodgy. Sometimes they show on the brighter side, but there are deteriorations, because of which now oral rehydration therapy has also been, in fact, consented to by Mr. Wangchuk. However, he continues to say that he remains on fast and has asked for his release as well. Yesterday we saw that in fact, the leadership of the Cockroach Janata Party, whether it is Abhijit Deepke or Ashutosh Rana or Saurav Das, these people were not physically present for any form of march. There was no clear guideline, no, in fact, clear routes that were communicated to the protesters, because of which, in fact, all of them had taken it upon themselves to go about in different, in fact, routes, and that caused a lot of confusion as well.